Question number 4 is 5y square plus 5y minus 10. So first what we are going to do, we will multiply first term and last term. 5 into 10 is 50. So we will find the factors of 50 whose middle term should be 5. So 5, first we will find the factors. 5 tens are 50, 5 twos are 10, 2 ones are 2. So we will form pairs. See, 5 fives are 25 and 2. But 25 into 2 is 50. But 25 plus 2 will be what? 7. 27. We don't want 27, we want 5. So we will shuffle it again. We will 5 twos are 10 and 5. See, 50. So we got the factors 10 and 5. Okay. When it will give 50. 10 into 5 will be 50. If we subtract 10 minus 5, we will get 5. Okay, so we will substitute 10 and minus 5. Sorry, 10 and 5 in the place of 5. Okay, here what we want? Plus and minus. Plus into minus will be minus and greater number sign is positive. So plus 10 and minus 5. So we will substitute 5y square plus 10y minus 5y minus 10. Okay. So now we will take, see, 5, 10, 5, 10. So we will take common factor as 5 for the whole bracket. Okay. So means 5 in the bracket. 5 into y square will be 5y square plus 5 into how much will be 10y? 5 into 2y minus will be as it is. 5 into how much will be 1? 5 ones are 5. Okay. And last minus 5, how much are 10? 5 twos are 10. So now we will find the common factor from here. So what is common? Y square means y in bracket y plus 2. Okay. Minus 1 and y minus into what will be minus? Minus into plus. Minus into plus will be minus. So plus. And 1 into what will be 2? 1 into 2 will be 2. So 5 will remain as it is. Okay. So now we got same brackets. So we will write it once. Y plus 2 and y minus 1. So hence this is our final answer. So these are the factors of this equation. It's 35. So in this, what we are going to do, we will multiply first term and last term. 1 into 35 will be 35. So we have to find the factors of 35. 5 sevens are 35, 7 ones are 7. So 7 fives are 35, yes. 35, 7 and 5. So when we multiply 7 and 5, we will get 35, and when we subtract it, 5, we will get 2. What we want? Minus 2. So minus and plus. Minus into plus will be minus. So we will do the subtraction of the terms. 7 minus 5 will be 2 and the greater number sign will be minus. So we will substitute these in the term of minus 2. P square minus 7p plus 5p minus 35. Now we will just take common p into p. P into p is p square minus p into 7 will be 7p plus 5 into p. 5 into p will be 5p minus 5 into 7 will be 35. Okay, again we got these two terms as common, so we will write it once, p minus 7 and p plus 5. So these are the factors of the given term. Okay, now we will move forward to directly sum number 10, because question number 6, 7, 8, 9. Question number 6, 7, 8 and 9 are omitted. Omitted for this year only. Okay, so now we will move forward to example number 10. 2x square plus x minus 45. Okay, so this is a different kind of sum. What we will do, we will multiply 2 into 45, which will give us 90. So we have to find the factors of 90 whose middle term will be 1. So we will take 9 tens are 90. Okay, so 10 nines are 90 and plus 1. This has only x. No coefficient means it is 1. So 1x. So we want plus 1 after adding. See, 10 into 9 will be 90 and after adding, here we have to subtract the term. So minus plus minus into plus minus. Plus into minus will be minus. So we will do subtraction. 10 minus 9 will be 1. And positive sign will be plus. Okay, so we will substitute plus 10 and minus 9 in the place of 1x. So 2x square plus 10x minus 9x minus 45. Now we will take common. See, here we will take 2x as common. 2x square means what? 2x into x, right? So 1x will be in the bracket. 2x in bracket x plus 2x into how much will be 10x. 2 5s are, right? 2 5s are 10. So we will write 5 over here. We will not write x over here because it will become x square. So we will just write 5 and minus, here 9 will get common in bracket x. 9 into x will be 9x. Minus into plus will be minus, and 9 into how much will be 45? 9 5s are 45. Again we got these brackets common, so we will write it once, x plus 5 and the remaining terms, which is 2x minus 9. Okay, so these are the factors of this equation. Okay, now we are going to solve question number 11, which is 20x square minus 26x plus 8. So now we will, this is a very big term, okay, so we will just divide it by 2, or we can take 2 as common. So 2 10x square. 2 into 10 will be 20 x square minus 2 1s are 2 2 2 3s are 6 x plus 2 4s are 8. Okay, we got these terms. Okay, this is the simplified term. Now we will find the factors. See, only in bracket we have to focus only in the bracket. So this is the first term, this is the last term. Means 10 into 4. 10 into 4 is 40. So we will find the factors of 40, whose addition or subtraction will be 26. So 2 2s are 4, 2 1s are 2 5s are 5 1s are. Okay, so 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8 and 5. See, we want the middle term should be minus 13 according to our new equation. Minus 13, the middle term should be 18. So 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8. So 8 into 5. 8 5s are 40, right? 40. 8 into 5 will be 40 and 8 plus 5 will be 13. Okay. So now we want minus 13. So minus is plus. Minus into minus will be plus and greater number sign will be minus. So we will substitute minus 8 and minus 5 where there is minus 13. Now we will write the equation. This 2 will remain as it is at the end of the sum. So 10x square and minus 13x, so minus 8. 10x, I just shifted it 5x and 8x. 5x and 8x. So 2 will remain as it is in bracket. Now we have to find the common terms. So x square. So we can find 5 as common. Directly we can take 5 as common. So 5x in bracket 5 2s are 10 and x into x will be x square. Okay. So minus 5 into 1x into 1. 5x into 1 will be 5x, right? So 5x into 1 will be 5x minus 4 as common, 4. This 4. So 4 2s are 8 and x will be as it is. Minus into minus will be plus and 4 1s are 4. Okay. We have taken 4 common. Okay. Now again we got these brackets similar. So we will write, this will be as it is, 2x minus 1 and the remaining terms 5x minus 4. Okay, so this is our final answer. 44x square minus x minus 3. Okay, so what we do? 44, the very first term and last term we have to multiply. 44 into 3 will be what? 12, 13, 132. So we have to find the factors of 132. Factors of 132 whose middle term should be minus 1. So let's start. 2 1 is 14, 2 6 is 12, 1 carry, 2 6 is 12, 2 3 is 6, 2 3 is 6, 3 1s are 3, 3 1s are 3, 11 1s are 11. So 2 2 is 4, 4 2 is 8, 3 is 12. Okay, 12 and 11. So 132's factors are 12 into 11. 12 into 11 we will get 135 and 12 minus 1 will be 12 minus 11 will be 1. We want minus 1. So we will do minus plus. Minus plus will be minus and greater number sign is minus. So we will give minus plus sign. So now we will substitute these factors in the term of x, means 1x in the middle term. So 44x square minus 12x plus 11x minus 12x and plus 11x minus 3. So now we will take 11 as common term because this is the smaller term, so we can take 11 common, 11x. Okay, 11x is common in this. See, in these terms we are finding common. So 11x into 4x. 11x into 4x will be 44x because 11 into 4 will be 44 and x into x will be x square. Plus 11 into how much will be 11x? 11x into 1 will be 11x. Now this is over. Now moving on to this term, 12x. So we will take common as 3. 3 minus 3 in bracket. 3 how many are 12? 3 4s are 12 and x. Okay. Minus into plus will be minus and 3 into 1 will be 3. Okay. Now again we got the bracket similar. So we will write it once. 4x plus 1 and 11x minus 3. So this is our final answer. Children, I hope you like the video. Thank you.